Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both device and host so a DB can communicate. First, enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone. This authorizes commands. Once done, install Android platform tools or confirm a DB is on your path so commands run from any terminal. Plug the device into USB and run a DB devices. You should see a device ID. If not, make sure USB mode is file transfer and accept the RSA prompt on the phone. This establishes trust and lets you continue. You now move into active use. Open a terminal and run a DB shell to get an interactive shell on the device. This is where you inspect logs, settings, and files. Use a DB pull and a DB push to transfer files. They are faster than manual copying. For apps, a DB install APK, app or a DB uninstall package. Name, add R to replace an existing install. Once you need elevated access, use a DB root when supported or a DB shell then sue. This grants the permissions required for system-level changes. You finish the workflow with advanced operations and a single troubleshooting tip. When flashing or unlocking, use a DB reboot bootloader then fast boot to interact with the bootloader and flash images. This separates system changes from runtime. For diagnostics, capture logs with a DB logcat redirected to a file or USB radio for modem logs. Finally, if the device disappears, check USB drivers and cable quality, re-enable file transfer, and revoke USB authorizations in developer options before reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.